Welcome to B.Y.O.O TV.
Welcome to this video Nino e la Constructo, presented by Excellence Junior School. Nino is a beautiful black bird flying in the garden. Today the sun is shining and it is very hot. Nino sees his friend Mina, a little gray mouse. "Hello Mina," says Nino. "I am very thirsty." Nino and Mina search for water everywhere. "Look," says Mina, "there's a large blue jug on the garden table." Nino flies to the edge of the jug and looks inside. There is water, but it is all the way at the bottom. Nino tries to drink, extending his black beak toward the water. But the jug is too deep, and Nino cannot reach the water. Nino looks at the ground and sees many small gray pebbles. Mina asks, "What are you doing, Nino?" Nino has an idea. He is very clever. He takes a small pebble with his beak and flies toward the jug. Nino drops the pebble into the jug. Plop! Then, he puts in a second pebble and a third pebble. Now Nino can drink the cool water. "Thank you for your help, Mina," says Nino. The two friends are very happy.